Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you this picture frame that I got from Ikea. It is made out of aluminum, but before I go on to this video, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can always be in tune of DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews on this channel just like this one. So on this episode, I will show you two types of frames. One is black, one is silver. Both are made in aluminum and they're easy to construct. They come with everything that you need. These brackets also are included in there. They come in four. Comes with a tool, the Allen wrench, and these little screw nuts. And it comes with these plastic clip holders to attach to your canvas picture. And it comes with this push tool. It's made out of plastic as well. So let's go and try to put these little screw nuts in before we actually put the brackets on to make it easier for yourself. Now they're very easy. You just slide them on and then don't twist them all the way. Just set them, screw them just a little bit in, not too far, because you will tighten it down once you put it on the frame. So let's do a quick fast forward. On the frame itself, they do come in these channels. There are channels like right there, as you can see, and all you got to do is slide these little tiny 90-degree brackets in there, nice and simple, and just connect the other one, making perpendicular. Super easy to put on. Again, don't tighten them yet. My advice is make sure that you lay it on the ground like what I did here, and then place them and make sure that they are nice and 90-degree angled. So again, don't tighten those 90-degree brackets just yet. So by not tightening it up all the way, you can adjust it as you go. Make sure that it is nice and even on every edge, just like what I'm doing here. And it gets kind of tricky because it does shift. Now when you get the perfect alignment, go and tighten those screws with your Allen wrench. Now there you have it. I'm actually replacing the silver one with my black one. I do have a black frame, so that's what I'm using at the moment. I do have this canvas picture that I did buy at Ikea as well, and that's what I'm going to be using to tighten these this frame. So I'm going to be using these plastic holders, and I'm going to be pushing it in with this push tool, this plastic push tool. And this is very easy to do. All you got to do is align it just like that and then push it right in. I would do one side first before you do everything else. So this one I'm doing one side and pushing everything nice in place. When you have that done, go to the other side. Now the trick to this is make sure that you pull it nice and tight and then insert these clips in. When you have it nice and tight, push those things again to make it stretch even more, stretching the frame. And all you got to do is work your way around it. Now again, take your time. This will take a little bit of trial and error. Again friends, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for quick videos like these. And this is a good way to add some decoration inside your house. So there you have it. Play around with it. Go around each and every one. Make sure you push each one of those tiny those plastic brackets, and make sure that they are nice and secured to stretch out that canvas picture. And once you are done, it should be nice and stretched just like this. Okay friends, so thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this quick video nice and helpful, and yeah, if you're interested on this, just head up to Ikea and they offer this in 2 colors, which is silver and black. Thank you once again friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.